know they kill my vibe.
Oh, yeah, there. A long time I not see you, man.
BOMBO MARLEY, what the hell?
I don't me fi jump over the wall.
How you go jam this thing? I no love the gate, you son.
Alright, then.
You this boy.
Oh, yeah, there. A long time I not see you, man.
BOMBO MARLEY, what the happen?
You take care of your property?
As you can see, everything there under control.
I saw the thing I go on. Every youth fi buy house, mansions, cars and all of them things there.
Right, true.
So me a pass over here, so I must say big up see you, you know. Alright, me I go link you. Yeah, there. A little thing not bother me, you know.
What be that?
You see that one, yeah?
Uh-huh.
The bar wall.
Oh.
Me have a little problem with it.
The water in it is different from the price out here. What me mean for say?
If you go first water from the bar, if you pay for it.
You ain't plan on thinking about contract tell me. So this one is oral.
You don't want tell me, say, if I go fetch water from the well, I pay for pay again for the water.
Bravo.
Problem no dey be good thing. You get it? Because me sef now they won't tell you say you for can remove the water from the well because I won't use the well.
Oh. That's a fuckery, man.
Okay, fuck right, brother.
What mean? In my shop.
Very good. That be what I dey talk.
Cost price. No, me can't. Alright, boy. Me I go circle back right through.
Very good. Circle.
Alright, me I go circle back right through. Yeah, there. That's me I tell you. Alright, take care of yourself, alright? Jaja loves you.
Misbehavior. Alright.